We became doctors so we could heal patients, so we could work with our patients, and not so we could spend time haggling over treatments we know are necessary.
We cannot afford the status quo. We are at a point where I am seeing third world things in my practice.
Seeing my patients every day walk in with poor health, poor access to health care, and having my hands tied by insurance companies that are unwilling to pay is utterly unacceptable for me as a physician who's charged with caring for my patients and for my community.
I'm out there in the trenches every day with my patients, watching them not be able to get medicines that could cure simple infections, not being able to get access to specialists that could solve problems without kids having to go to the ER and incur huge costs to themselves, their families, and society. I know the system's broken, I know we gotta fix it, and I know we can't wait.
The system's pretty broken where I am. It's mostly suburban, a little bit of urban and inner city Wilmington, but especially the last few years, and a lot of people getting laid off and kind of getting in between jobs with the parents, and they can't qualify for Medicaid, and they're kind of stuck in the middle.
And the biggest obstruction that I see is patients not coming to get care because they can't afford it. So I want all people to have health care coverage.
For those who are naysayers and want to delay this for another 20 years, and then we'll be talking about the same thing all over again, about how much it costs in 20 years. Should look back to what happened with Medicare, the number of people who didn't want that, and that has been a successful program. And we have to stop and move on and go ahead and pass this, get it done.
We have so many patients that fall through the cracks. It's unconscionable in my mind that you can have a society that permits its own citizens to suffer the way our country allows its citizens to suffer under the healthcare crisis.
I believe in an America where people shouldn't have to decide between paying rent, putting food on the table, and paying for their medications or doctor's visits. So it's time we get this done.
The system is so broken that it's tragic. Patients who need chemotherapy can't afford to get it because they get it when they are out of a job and now they've lost their insurance. Is that right? Is it fair? Is that degree of human suffering really what we expect to have in the United States of America in 2009 or 2010 almost, when this country should be the most advanced country in the world? We really, really need change.
I think doctors, patients, most of our Congress finally recognized that it needs to happen, and it's been a long time to get everybody to realize that. I think a lot of physicians have known it, and a fair number of patients have known it, but not enough to get the momentum to get things to change.
We're at an incredible moment in history where so many people have come together in support of reform. Just of my physician colleagues, over 500,000 people are supporting reform physicians. So this is the right time for it. It's inevitable.
We are at a point where we have to decide. Do we care about our brothers and sisters? Do we care about the other people around us? And are we a country that thinks that everyone deserves to have the right kind of care?